so long for the room tour, but we gotta get to Lake Como, I think it's called. Now the weather is absolutely amazing. Everything is charged. We have a few viewpoints that we want to go check out. We also need to get some food. You ready? Feet check.
Feet check.
We have to catch up to our Ferrari friend, but man, this era of motorsport, this era of cars, it's absolutely incredible. Like the way it looks, just a timeless design, I would say. But now we have to catch back up to our friend, so he's going to be here on the left. There we go, our friend. Yep. The yellow lights, the Marlboro livery. Oh my god, it looks absolutely incredible. On the left of us, well, on my left, on your straight, there's Lake, I think it's called Lake Como. We are about 30-minute drive from Lake Como, and yeah, the drive so far, incredible, even through like little cities and towns, all those like little roads that you have to squeeze by. It does have its vibe, and we were talking and thinking that maybe, just maybe, Italy will be our go-to place for the weekends. It's like 12-hour drive, 11 and some change, but I think it is totally worth it if you've got, you know, a few extra days off. Like the weather itself, absolutely incredible. We're in October, right? October, yeah, we're in October, but look how beautiful it is. Just super chill, not many bumps on the road. People like genuinely drive pretty good. Nobody is speeding pretty much. Mainly people from Germany. Hello, Germans. Are so tight that in certain places you have to just fully stop in order to let the car through, which is understandable, but the views, like this weather is a cherry on top top, but I'm pretty sure it looks alright in the winter too, but it's a vibe where you don't even want to be going fast. You just want to kind of chill, look at the views, listen to the exhaust at 2k RPM, just that sweet V8 tone. You can hear each of the piston rumble. We made it to Lake Como. There are a few things that we want to see. We found this pretty nice car park and we have this really nice spot. Check this out. Look how wide it is. Nobody's gonna hit the M3, but we are looking kind of all right. Yes. Okay, so now let's go explore. I'm bringing the camera, bringing the tripod. You know what we're doing. Stairs. Lizard. Elevator, check. Lizard. Getting to Lake Como was just the first part of the plan, and honestly it was the only part of the plan. I wanted everything to be as authentic as possible because since we have met, everything happened so naturally, so it was just a matter of walking around, hoping that not many people are going to be here, finding the right place and doing what needs to be done, and there were plenty of great, amazing looking places. Whenever we have encountered a nice viewpoint, I have decided to take out the tripod just to take some photos in order not to raise any suspicions when we actually get to the place where I wanted to get, which at the time I didn't even know where was the place, as again, I wanted everything to be as natural as possible. And at this point I knew that I found the right place. Now we came here relatively early and we still had some more time, so we went over to see some other places because I wasn't quite ready. And as the time went on, I saw more and more people coming, and every single time we were walking past that place there was always somebody there. So we have decided to return at what I thought was the right time, and I saw a couple of guys sitting on the bench. And since I knew I found the right place, I had to do whatever it takes to wait there until those guys went. So initially I made up an excuse that I need to drop pictures and videos from my camera to my laptop because I had no space, and then I started making more excuses up, and then I told my fiance now that it would be nice to get a clip over this wall, again just for the video. And yeah, she did not expect a thing. She started walking around, and as she did, those guys decided to leave finally. I've proceeded to filming so many times, but each time there was somebody coming up the stairs that were on the left, and I just didn't feel that comfortable, so I have decided to rewind, come up with a different idea, and keep on doing it until the right moment comes. boys, we did it successfully. Mission accomplished. We ended up staying around, taking some more photos. Again, the view is great. There's this famous gate right there, which we stood here. I'm gonna show you since I'm already here. But we literally stood here for about an hour in a queue. And now, there ain't no queue. We just stood there for the past 10-15 minutes taking photos, however many we wanted. Now, when we were here, some couple was taking, well, couple, there were like 2 couples taking so long that it got a bit rowdy, but we got some photos, which I'll be editing and uploading to Instagram. I know it's a bit dark because it is dark, but yep, time to go get some food. The parking was only €12, which I'm surprised about, which is nice, but we're back.